G'day, I'm Scott, and this is the EasyShed narrow slider garden shed. If you're looking to lock up your gardening supplies and tidy up that yard, but you don't have heaps of room, then this model is a great solution. At just 0.78 metres deep, this narrow shed is ideal for tight spaces and comes in a range from 1.5 to 3.75 metres wide. This one today is the 2.25 metre width model. Up top there's a reverse skillion roof to give you that extra headroom, and it's great with shifting water efficiently. What's great about this shed is the Easy Glide sliding doors, which give you simple access to your gear. And since both our single and double varieties don't open out like your conventional hinge door, they're really nifty little space saver. See how smooth they are. There's no annoying scraping at all. They're the best quality sliding doors out there, with the top section being made of entirely aluminium. Plus, these brilliant little rolling wheels. In fact, we're so confident in our products that we offer a lifetime warranty, so you're in good hands. When you're unpacking your sliding door unit, you'll find these little wheels tucked up inside the pelmet here. Pad bolt and hasp locks keep everything secure. You could add a padlock too if you feel like it. All our sheds are made from premium blue scope steel, so they'll hold up against our harsh Aussie weather. They're manufactured in Albury, New South Wales, and because you're buying direct from us, you're guaranteed the best price. Everything comes flat packed, but don't worry. Our super easy 5-step assembly means you'll be wrapped up and enjoying a cold one quick smart. Self-tapping screws also ensure a sturdy, robust build. Just a note, our sheds don't come with a base, as you can see. And for that, we recommend a rebated concrete slab and concrete fixings. Our team can even advise you just how many you'll need, no dramas. You can find info about other flooring options, plus a wide range of accessories on our site too. And that's it from me. Catch you later.